Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Most important, ladies. Today we're gonna learn how to make, or actually I'm gonna teach you how to make the perfect mojito. It's very easy, very simple, something delicious, and I can't believe that it takes just a few seconds to make. Maybe longer. All right, guys, without further ado, let's move on to the first step. And for that, I'm actually gonna need a pretty good, decent sized slime. Let me see if I can. This one will do just fine, you know? Pretty decent, good size. You're gonna roll it in your hand real quick, you know? Starting to get those oils away from the peel. You're only gonna use about half of this. So let's get cutting. All right, like I said, you only need half of this, so let's cut half of it. Then you want some small cubes, you know, maybe 4 of them. So let's get ready for that. There you go. Then you're gonna add them to your tall glass. After that, just smash it slowly, you know, just gently, just releasing the juices, not the oils, because if you release the oils, it's gonna add bitterness to it. You don't want no bitter taste on this. I'm gonna share a quick fun fact with you guys. So we all know this drink came from Cuba, but what you might not know is this actually got started in the 1500s, and it was actually used for medicinal purposes to treat scurvy for pirates. Imagine getting your drink on and also taking medicine. Nowadays, medicine tastes gross. Back then, yo ho ho. And I'm gonna remove this now, and I'm gonna add 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can pick this up from any convenience store you like, or you can make your own. I'll show you in the descriptions how to make it, but I got lazy and I have, you know, a lot of things to do, so I bought it from the store. Add 1 ounce of this. You can also measure with this, you guys. Measurements are the key things for every drink. All right, guys, next step, you're gonna wanna add some fresh mint leaves, you know, anywhere from 6 to 10. You want to give them a quick little smack, you know, just tease that little mint. 2, and then you're going to add them right in there. Next thing you want to do is add your alcohol. You know, obviously we have the white rum. Perfect. I'm going to add 1 ounce. Then I'm going to add the other half of ounce. So you're going to want 1 ounce and then a half. Then you're going to use your spoon just to mix it all up. Be careful with those leaves. Don't let them separate or anything like that. That's it. And now the next thing I'm gonna need, it's a little bit of ice. So let me get this straight. I think this will do just fine. So you're only gonna want a few cubes in there. So let's remove the spoon. Let's not make a big mess. Let's throw that in there. All right, guys, and you're just gonna make sure everything's mixed in. Make sure you got everything going, as much as ice as you possibly put in here. So I've been drinking a lot of soda water lately, so I'm almost out of it. So just add a little bit, top it off with soda water. So there you go. Should be enough. And you are gonna want to garnish this. So bam, and then slap it, you know, man. You gotta tease it a little bit, pour it in there, bam. You can smell it, man. Ooh, delicious. There you have it, guys, the perfect mojito. If there's ever a drink you want me to make, just let me know, put it down in the comments, and I'll get to it. And yeah, that's all. Tráete el clear bowl, Miguel, y las pincitas. Bring the pincitas and one of your clear bowls. Ladies and gentlemen, most important, ladies. Hey, today I'm gonna make you. And now the next thing we're gonna need is a little bit of ice. Let me see if I can get this straight. That's so funny. Ready? Clap again. Pinche menta, güey, ya está más seca que la chingadera.